going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today I'm going to show you how to change the lock and unlock switch on your van. This one works sometimes. Tools you're going to need are a small flathead and a T25 bit. We're going to take the small flathead, come in here and just pry this out, and then it swings out like that, and then under there is a T25 screw. I'm going to unscrew that. We're going to take a panel removal tool and pry out this plastic thing here. There's a cable holding onto the handle here. Then you're going to come down, push in on this tab here, and the wiring will come out. Comes right out the front. You're going to push these in and push it out that way. And then the new one is going to come in from the outside and pop out like that. We're going to plug this connector back in and test it. And the installation is reverser removal. That's it. High five, you did it. Thanks for watching.